Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here, and on this video I'll be showing you this really good tiny quick release plate that I purchased online. You can check out the links below. This is how it looks like. Okay, it's actually made of aluminum alloy. So quick release, just press this and you can slide it. Okay, you cannot turn it back without sliding it. Okay, so I purchased two of these, and the reason is it fits perfectly on my Canon M50. So this is the camera. I got the other hot shoe in here. So the other one is already mounted on the my table. So this is just for presentation purposes, and the one that I use for my Gorilla Pod fits exactly just right here. Okay, so you take it off. And slide this back in there. Shakes. Stable. Take it out. Just push this red button here. Slide it. And the main reason that I get this kind of quick release plate is because of the compartment of the battery here. Okay, I got a bigger type of quick release plates, and I cannot open this because it's blocking the lever, but this one fits perfectly. Okay, I can insert the batteries without any problem. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. I'll show you how big this is. You can't take that away. The size of the hot shoe here. Actually 33 millimeters. Alright. And then 36. And this one is the most important one. It's 32. Okay. This is, of course, they should be the same. Inches by 36, and thickness 12 millimeters. That's that. Okay, quick release. Check out the links below if you want to get one. Okay, slide in. Okay, right. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye now.